All right, so how's it going with the mail? How many have you sent? Where are you at? What's a kind of status update? Have you gotten any more accepted? Any acceptances yet?
So I sent out one successfully mail drop. My second one is waiting to go out. So I need to, I'm looking into some other mail. I'm kind of, I feel like it's not going at the speed I want. Like when I send a mailing, like I want it to be looked at and processed pretty quickly. So that's been frustrating because I feel like it's taking days to get back to me.
Is it on 3D Mail's part, for Tara's part, that's taking so long?
It is.
Okay. One way we found to alleviate that is always have her mail. Like every 7 days she gets a new mailing, like clockwork. That way, have you ever seen one of those old pumps, those old water pumps? You just like pumping, and the faster you go, and eventually you start to get water, and then you can slow down, and then your water will keep coming out. So it's just getting it off the ground. A jet, an airplane to take off takes almost 80% of the fuel, and once it's up there, it's just going. So that's how I got to get your mail no less than once a week. Be mailing out 300 or more once a week, and it's just trying to get it off the ground. Once you get there, you can level off, and you might come down to 150 a week, depending on how much water flow you want, aka lead flow coming in. This is the hardest part. So when does your second mail hit, and how many of them are there?
My second mail is going to hit on Monday.
Okay, perfect.
And I believe that's my 160. So it's a small one.
Okay.
And the one that I mailed out before that was like 230. And that has been hitting like this week is when I've really gotten some feedback from that. I got a couple calls, people yelling at me like, your offer's too low. I'm not selling my land. Why are you even sending me this? Take me off your list. But then I just late last night, I got my first real inquiry.
Oh my gosh, congrats.
I'm very excited about that. And I have a call with him in an hour. So I'm ready to go. I'm nervous. I have a million questions, but I'm excited.